Hello, let's try to install GCam on POCO X7 Pro. We're gonna check if it is possible to install the GCam on this device. So in the Play Store, we're gonna search for an app that is called GCam. This is the one that we can use to check if there is a compatible version of the GCam. Once it is installed, we want to open it. We don't really need to allow notifications. Alright, so we can see that for this device, the GCam was not found. So of course we can request it and we can try to search for a similar device first. Perhaps we get lucky. Unfortunately not. But still, we can try to install a different version. So at the bottom, we can press this icon in order to switch here. And now we can try to search for a similar device. Okay, so let's search and let's type POCO. And we're gonna try to find the newest version from the list. So we can see the GCam version and Android version over here. Let's see X3, maybe let's try something down here. We have X5 Pro, Android 10, GCam 8.4 and 0.5. And there we go, we have X6 Pro, so now we have 9.1 Android 11. So I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna start downloading. Of course, we have an ad. This is an ad, so if you see something like this, just close it. Okay. And of course, there might be some compatibility issues, but we're gonna check if we can actually use the app. Okay, so now we have the download process is completed. I'm gonna actually open in folder because most of the time if you press install, it doesn't really work from this app. And I'm gonna choose Files by Google. And well, it doesn't open. Okay, so we're gonna go back and let's go to Files. Let's open Apps. Actually, let's go to Downloads here. Here we have our GCam. Let's go to the settings. Of course, we need to allow from unknown sources. Let's select that we are aware of possible risks. And then let's press OK. There we go. And let's choose to install. Now let's wait. We get the security scan, of course, but everything should be fine. And let's open. And let's see if this works, because in some cases it doesn't work at all. We need to grant permissions, of course, so let's choose while using the app. There we go. By default, we can just press done. Okay, so I think now we can see that the camera, the photo mode at least works, but we're gonna switch to the video mode. The preview seems to be working. We have the slow motion, we have time lapse, and so on. Oh, I think it crashed. So yeah, this is what I meant by the compatibility issue. Sometimes the app can just crash. In some modes, it is not working, perhaps. Let's take a photo. Yeah, so as you can see, it crashes pretty much all the time. So unfortunately, there is pretty much no way to use it without any issues. And this is because the version just is different. It's not, of course, made for this phone. So unless there is actually a version made specifically for this phone, unfortunately, you will see these crashes. We can check if the settings work. Let's try to use different ratio. So you can try to use it. And if you do, let me know in the comments what you think of it. As you can see, even Zoom crashes the app. But that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!